बॉर्डर का प्रॉब्लम ये है कि नहीं कि ऑन डिस्प्यूटेड है।
सासिन तेरन मेमोरियल टाउन हॉल डिफू पर देखुवा सब लोग एडवांटेज आसाम 2.0 वर्कशॉप
Where are
जेतु
you
होबले
willing
गय
to
से गुवाहाटी
participate? कहाँ
होबले
में
गय
आपको
से
participate करना है?
25-26 फरवरी
The program will be held on 25th and 26th of
organized by District Commissioner of Karbi Anglong ইয়াতে উপস্থিত চাওক কাৰ্বি আংলং CM ডিপু প্লাছৰ পৰা দেখুৱাই আছোঁ আপোনালোকক লগতে আপোনালোকৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ কমেণ্ট কৰি দিব মই যাদৱে দেখুৱাই আছোঁ আপোনালোকক সমগ্ৰ দৃশ্য উপলক্ষে লৈ যাওঁ আপোনালোকক কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰৰ মাজলৈ
बॉर्डर का प्रॉब्लम ये है कि नहीं कि ऑन डिस्प्यूटेड है। दोस्तों रिसाइडिंग एट बॉर्डर एरिया जो खासियत हो जो डिफरेंट ट्राइब तो उन लोगों का डुअल सिटीजन होता है। जो डुअल सिटीजन के होने के कारण डेवलपमेंट की दायरे में और दूसरे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स आते रहते हैं। सो विद दिस डुअल वोटर आईडी होते हैं उसको सोल्यूशन करने के लिए अगर आपके माध्यम से कुछ solution ला सके तो अच्छा होगा। And secondly, I want to highlight that the West Karbi Anglong is becoming the legend of a drugs addiction man. So in this opportunity, I would like to request you as a students community, अगर West Karbi Anglong में अगर rehabilitation center हो और जो एक जानकारी के मुताबिक मुझे बताया गया है कि जो एक फोर्स होता है जो ड्रग्स के अगेंस्ट को करने के लिए ड्रग्स फोर्स वो भी अगर डिप्लॉय कर सके तो अच्छा होगा। And lastly, ma'am, I would like to thank you a lot for your very good speech. It will really motivate and inspire us. और मैं सिर्फ मेरी नहीं कि मैं सभी कॉलेज को ले जाके ये असम जो प्रोग्राम आने वाला है 26-27 उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेगा। थैंक यू।
पहला जो क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा है ऑनरेबल CM सर अभी नहीं है उनका साथ में बातचीत पहला भी हुआ है एंड ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर इज आल्सो अवेयर बीइंग अ गार्जियन मिनिस्टर वी आर बीइंग इन्फॉर्म्ड by the deputy district commissioners. So when we had come here ye is already been informed. I think that will be taken care of by the CM Tuliram Rongha and honorable chief minister. Second thing आपने जो बोला है ड्रग्स का वाला या that will also we had a meeting of the guardian minister का नाते we had a review का साथ में DC Saranga is there we already discussed it देखा जाए what we can do it we will definitely try to do in very short time नोटिस उन्होंने कैसे करके आगे बंद करना है इन अ वेरी स्मॉल डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ वेस्ट कार्बी आंगलोंग वन पॉपुलेशन बहुत छोटा है ड्रग्स इतना एंट्री हो गया है हम लोग ने बहुत डिस्कशन किया है पैरामीटर्स भी हम लोग ने बहुत देखा है वी आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व इट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग सो मच कंसर्न थैंक यू
Perfect. But however, people are very much interested to know about Karbi Anglong, especially about the festival, that is the Karbi Festival. Everybody is very much interested. And the fun fact is, it is the oldest ethnic festival of Northeast India. Therefore, there are a lot of tourists who are eager to come. And in Karbi Anglong, and they often ask for the accommodation, the hotel, homestays, etc. And it is indeed an opportunity for me to thank the CM of Karbi Anglong, Dr. Tuliram Rongha sir, for for all the 4 ways, all the line where we're connected to different areas of Assam. Therefore, there is a lot of ways how tourists can come to Assam. So there is a connectivity. However, we have shortage of homestays, hotels, etc. So I think that in Karbi Anglong there are amples of land where industries, where companies can create big hotels, and it will not only provide opportunities for young people, job employment opportunities, etc., but it will also provide a nice space for tourists to have a comfortable stay. So therefore, I would like to request you that in Advantage Assam, where the program is going to help, can you please promote this land where the companies will be interested to make their own hotels, etc., where the tourists can have a great stay. Thank you.
Definitely, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nice to know that that such an elaborate way you have informed in a very short notice. And then on the way to Viksit Assam is one where you can look after, and the other one will be Awesome Assam. So these are 2 things, and then Karbi Anglong is not out of it. Minded Karbi Anglong is always there in Awesome Assam because some of the districts of state of Assam has been taken specially to show them that this is most of the tourist attraction. So Karbi Anglong will be there, Dima Hasao will be there, and other tourist areas will also be there. So it's in both in Awesome Assam as well as iVixit Assam. Thank you.
Actually, what happens, we have a water shortage in West Karbi Anglong actually. So, and we don't have the cold storage. Even more, there is no kind of, we are supposed to do like rice processing mill or something like that. But as everything we are procured from outside Naivar district. So, and my appealing to you is that kindly provide the grid in West Karbi Anglong.
It's already been done. Substation in Hamran is already coming up, and grid is also there. So by coming 2 or 3 years, we'll be fully powered in Karbi Anglong.
Thank you.
আজি আপোনালোকে ৱৰ্কশ্বপ পাতিছে এডভান্টেজ আসামক লৈ কিমান আশাবাদী কি ক'ব
In Advantage Assam 2.0, we are expecting huge investment from outside. From zonal area that we have started doing meeting consisting of our 3 districts, Karbi Anglong, Hills District. We want here that these people should be a part of it and understand what this Advantage Assam is purposely. And later on, we can have an understanding of how we can move forward in terms of industrial sector. In different areas, we are very rich in raw materials, we are very rich in agriculture products, we are very rich in ecotourism. So these are the 3 brands where Honorable Chief Minister also wants that this should be projected. Thank you so much.